Do you want to spend more time with your kids? If you do, make sure you watch until the end of the video because I'm going to show you how to do it and I'm still doing it. Or you can go register the name and the email to the website. You will receive more information about this business. So working as a nurse, I worked lots of different shifts, weekends and nights and the evenings and the holidays, you name it. The time that I supposed to be with my kids, I had to work since they were 1 year old. After I returned from my maternity leave, they were 1 year old. Until now, they're turning 10 and 12. So that time, I missed all, and I just don't want to do it anymore. So I watched a ad similar to this one that you're watching right now over a year ago, and I jumped right in because they offer me that 30-day money-back trial. There's nothing to lose, right? So if you want to do it, you can try it. If you don't like it, you got a refund. How easy is that, right? They offered me the training, the tools, and the support, everything I needed. And also, they, the products that they offered, they paid $1,000 per sale. They also helped me to make a customized funnel system. So if you register, you get exactly the same. The best part is they teach you how to make a winning ad. That's the thing only thing you need to learn is to make a winning ad. Once you find a winning ad, you take off and you make sale, and that's it. So if you want to make a side hustle or a plan B, whatever suits your situation, register your name and email, and you will receive more information about this online business. I'm here at the lake today. It's Monday and I'm here with my kids. They don't have school and I'm doing my business right here, right now. All I need is laptop, a Wi-Fi connection, and smartphone. So make sure you register your name and email into the website, and you get to learn more about this business. So good luck everyone, and have a great day.